Today on Fly Rod Chronicles, I am at Harman's Cottages in West Virginia to fish with my good friend Ryan Harman. Join us as we hit the North Fork of the South Branch of the Potomac to wrestle some of the late spring rainbows and browns. Stick around.
It's a life that I love.
We're on a little river, and right there's what she's about, boys.
Am I happy? Look at that! Welcome to Alaska! Look at that! There he goes, Steve! Look at that, baby! Yeah! That's bigger than Dollywood! That is incredible, isn't it?
Hey, I'm Curtis Fleming. Come along on my journey as I pursue my lifetime passion for the art of fly fishing. Join my friends, special guests, and I as we explore waters both far away and close to home. These are my Fly Rod Chronicles. My friend Ryan Harman is a competitive fly fisherman on the North Carolina team, as well as a volunteer regional coordinator for Project Healing Waters. It was late spring when Ryan and I organized and co-hosted the Harman's North Fork Invitational Fly Fishing Tournament with Ryan's cousin Todd at his North Fork Cottages in Cabins, West Virginia. We both needed a little break, so we grabbed our rods and snuck off to hit the river and score a few fish of our own. Welcome to Fly Rod Chronicles. Today we're on the North Fork of the South Branch with my good buddy Ryan Harman. Ryan, thanks for coming back home, huh?
Glad to be back home. It's been a while since I fished these waters.
Grew up here, right?
Grew up in Petersburg. Spent as much time as possible out here in the mountains and on these rivers, and I think the last time I fished this particular river was before the flood in '84.
Okay, then, since you've been going so long, you know, I'm a resident here now.
That's what they tell me.
Yeah.
I heard that at the sheriff's office anyway.
Well, I got a feeling it's not going to take you long to get your feet wet.
We'll see what happens.
Okay, thanks for hanging out with Fly Rod Chronicles. You ready, Ryan?
Yeah, just about ready.
You see him, Ryan?
Go ahead and catch a fish while I'm
fish
watching.
Fish on! Look here, he's full fire. Uh-oh. Hey, old school, did you just see that?
I saw that.
Huh?
You look like you know what you're doing.
I'm telling you, I'm a resident here now. Back in West Virginia, man. Oh, dog, go on, Ryan. Hey, what do you think of me now?
If you treat me nice, I'll actually let you put that in the net.
I'm gonna need that net, man. I am. This thing's full of fire. I know your good buddies down there at FishNet. They took care of you, so you got to help me out, man.
I told them you were going to be fishing their nets. They asked how big could they make a net.
That's big. Hey, look at that one. Look at that rainbow. Oh, he's singing my song. It's a good-looking fish, isn't it?
It's a beautiful fish.
Huh?
It's a
Check
beautiful
him out.
fish.
You remember how to net one?
It's been a long time. You there?
Oh man, look at this guy.
Look at that. Nice job.
Thank
good
you,
fish. Good fish. Beautiful fish.
All right, man.
Looks pretty good right there.
Let's put him back in the North Fork. He's going.
Nice job.
Fish number one in the books,
Fish
man.
number one. Very nice.
I didn't quite give you a chance to tie a fly on.
I didn't. I hadn't even rigged up.
All right.
I see how you treat me. I come home after all these years and I don't even get a chance to fish the good water.
Did I say welcome home yet?
I think you did.
Okay. If you want to go get me a soda real quick, I'll hang out here.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Is that how you used to treat your dad back in the day? Because now your dad, he was a local businessman here in town, right?
Yeah. Born and raised here in Petersburg, and you know, my family goes back a long way, back to my great-grandfather in this area.
Yep.
So have some deep roots. It's you know, Curtis had a chance to fish all over the world, but it's always coming home.
There you go. All right, we're gonna go catch another one?
Let's do it.
All right. Oh. Hey, what's this?
What is that?
Now, I've heard you're awful good at knocking off fish when you net.
Oh, no,
so.
no, not, this is, I wouldn't do that to you, man.
Welcome back to Fly Rod Chronicles on the North Fork in West Virginia. Ryan grew up in nearby Petersburg with the rest of the Harman clan, so his return for the tournament served as a nice homecoming for him.
So Ryan, has the fishing changed that much since you left?
Well, it's still good. This is one of those areas where you can come out and spend the morning chasing beautiful trout, and if you want to move on into some other parts of the county and fish smallmouth, there's some really good smallmouth fishing around. Kind of gives the angler a lot of opportunities.
Right, right. Oh, did you see that swipe? There, he came back. He came back. He come up, took a swipe, and then he came back. That's what I like to see right there. Good fish, good fish. Could you see that?
Yeah, beautiful take.
Yeah.
What do you got? Another brown or rainbow this
No,
time?
I'm on the rainbows today.
There you are.
Yeah. No, that fish came up. A lot of people, you know, they'd have taken that miss and they'd have jerked it up out of there. But see, I'm a little slow. You know what I mean? I left it there.
So you're gonna blame your mental status on catching that fish?
You gotta take whatever you can take, you know what I mean? Good rainbow, huh?
Good rainbow.
Yeah.
Beautiful fish.
Oh man,
Nice
that's
fish.
pretty. Yeah. Oh yeah. Good job, buddy.
Nice job.
See Ryan sneak into my little honey hole up there. Hey Ryan, did you sneak into my honey hole?
I did.
Oh, that's a good fish. Is that a brown trout?
That is another brown trout.
Man, you're putting a smack down on them browns, aren't you? Oh, that's a good brown.
Now, I've heard you're awful good at knocking off fish when you net.
Oh, no,
so.
no, not, this is, I wouldn't do that to you, man.
Coming at you.
All right, buddy. Oh, that's a good looking brown. We gotta show this thing off. Look at this guy. All right, you want me to release him for you?
Yeah, absolutely.
All right. Look at that. Look at the collars on that thing.
Oh, that's pretty.
Oh, it's beautiful. Oh, man. Oh, he wants to go back too. Look at that. That might be a big fish of the day right there. What do you think?
I don't think so.
You don't think?
Nah.
Okay.
Like I said, you're local now.
No, I think they've accepted me down here in Grant County now.
You think?
Oh yeah, yeah. I roll into town, and the police department gives me a ticket. Did you hear about that?
Brings back old memories.
Hey, speaking about old memories, dolly sods.
You know, coming back up here, that's one thing, it never fails. When I come out the road, coming out of Petersburg, in between Petersburg and Seneca, I see that sign that says Dolly Sods. Spent a lot of time in the backwoods up there hiking, and one of the most unique places in the country.
Yeah.
I mean, there's plant species and animals and stuff that are only found in Dolly Sods.
Right.
You know, it's one of those things that's just kind of part of you, part of the people from this area, and if you can, everybody ought to experience it.
Yeah, that's true. We're back to, hey, Big Ryan, we're back to the races, buddy. Oh, fish is hot, I'm telling you. Man, that thing just came up and smacked it. Holy smoke. Notice my good buddy Ryan, he won't even come down here and help me. Right now, I think I'm on my own. Oh, Lord. Another good rainbow. Oh, Look at this guy. Oh, wow. Wait till you see the collars on this fish. Look at that. Right there. Wild, wonderful West Virginia, baby. Let's get him back in. Trees. Come on, baby. Oh, there you go. Right there's another good fish in West Virginia, down here on the North Fork. Oh, you got one on, huh?
I was trying to be quiet.
Oh, you're trying to sneak the little one in, huh? Oh, hey, we got a double going
Double
here.
on.
Yep. Mine, hey, you notice how much bigger mine is?
I see that. I think I'm gonna let mine loose before yours makes it
Oh
in.
no, we can do a little measurement. Oh man, look at that fish. It's a little tail walker.
Yeah.
Well, you got a rainbow?
I got a rainbow.
What do I got?
That's a brown. Pretty little brown.
Is that a brown trout?
That is a brown trout.
Check him out. Oh man, how cool is that? Look there, brown trout down here in the North Fork. He wants to go back. Slid him back in there.
Pulled it up.
You got any fish slime on your hands?
Yeah, I do.
This is all right. Good. I didn't want to shake your hand if my hand
Yeah, I
was
wiped
dirty.
most of it off on your back there just a second ago, but
I thought you were patting me on the back.
I was.
Yeah, what a nice friend. Hey, a little bit about the flood. It was 85, right?
85.
85 was the flood. So you, I mean, you were kind of a kid back then,
Was.
and totally just devastated the area, state.
I mean, it did. I mean, this area completely changed all the way down to Petersburg. Loss of life, loss of property. You know, it was hard to look at what was left of Grant County and believe that there would ever be anything left after that. It was absolutely incredible.
Yeah. I know you spent just personal time in the community trying to clean out and help out. I mean, you guys had what, mud in the banks?
Yeah, you
Literally.
had. I mean, the whole downtown area below the stoplight was either gone or in 3 foot of mud. So
Yeah.
we spent long days shoveling mud and drilling holes in the floors of the buildings to let the water seep out, and it was a really Herculean effort to kind of bring Petersburg back from that.
Oh. Didn't hesitate, did it? Huh?
No.
Oh man. Not another brown.
Another brown.
You're on to the browns today, huh?
I am. I first started fly fishing in Petersburg. Actually, didn't have a clue what I was doing. My great-grandfather was an avid fly fisherman. Would take the train from Maryland over to the Yellowstone area and spend a lot of time fishing over there. And I first started, I found my father's old fly rod, didn't have a clue what it was, tied a Rapala directly to the end of the fly line, went down to the park in town,
Right.
caught a smallmouth bass, and I was absolutely hooked.
Yep.
You want to do the honors?
I will, yes sir. You got another brown.
These are beautiful,
Let me
beautiful
switch hands.
fish. Nice net job there, buddy. Want to try again?
Yeah.
Okay. How about 3 times?
That's a good looking brown. Look, you barely
Oh boy.
got him.
Yeah, he's just barely hooked.
Yeah.
That's a pretty fish.
That's a beautiful fish. Huh?
It's beautiful.
That's it right there. Yeah. You know, I mean, here it is, June. Water temperatures are starting to heat up a little bit. There we go, reviving that fish just for that extra couple seconds. Critical, isn't it?
Yeah, it really is. You know, the oxygen content in the water starts to drop, and as it drops, they can't process oxygen out of it near as quickly. And what happens is you play a fish a little bit too long, or you take too long getting it out of the net, or don't spend enough time letting it get back into the water, and before you know it, they kind of turn belly up. So it is important this time of year to, to take care with them. That's what keeps them here. That's what keeps fishermen coming back to this area.
There you go. Oh. Hey, what's this? What is that?
I fell asleep and woke up, and there he was.
Were you like a gunfighter, like in early life or something?
No.
Huh?
Oh, very nice. Very nice.
Seriously, what is that?
Everything I know, I learned from you.
Oh,
Curtis.
I don't know about that, but hey, well, I don't know. Hey, that was ninja fighting right there, man.
I think I found one of your rainbows.
Let me borrow your net. I'm gonna fall in this morning. Just take a bath here. Oh yeah, you got one of my rainbows. Yeah, good looking fish.
Tell you what, let me let you below me.
All right, all right. Now, last time you complained about my net job.
All right.
You'll give me a chance to redeem myself here?
I will, at the
All right.
count of 3. Ready?
Okay. Count of 3.
1, 2.
Oh, no way. Where'd you learn to count? Look at that.
First time. Very nice.
Yeah, there you go. Oh, man. Look, you're just barely hooking these guys. You do that on purpose?
Absolutely.
All
All
right.
right.
Good looking fish, buddy.
Beautiful
Man,
fish.
he gave you a bath,
He
didn't he?
did. He was ready to leave.
Good job, Brian.
Thank you much.
Hey, you were talking earlier also about bass fishing. I mean, what is it? Eagle's Nest has been here for a long time, and they do float trips down. Is it South Branch?
They do. You know, the South Branch is a great smallmouth fishery. Again, we go back. It seems like we have before flood and after flood. You know, a lot of concerns about how that river would look from Petersburg down through Moorfield and then on into probably one of the most famous areas for smallmouth in the east, and that's the trough section as we head out towards Romney. You know, back when I was younger, we didn't have the eagles coming back. We didn't see a lot of them, but you could go into the trough, see eagles, smallmouth fish, and now that's a big part of the reason that anglers are drawn to this area.
Yeah, neat. All right. So back to North Carolina for you.
Back to North Carolina.
Your grandfather still here in town.
Still here?
Yep.
Still here.
So that, I mean, besides the fishing, that gives you an excuse to come back and fish with us.
It does.
All right then. So maybe we can do segment 2 to this. Get you back here into town.
I think that could happen.
That could happen. I'm not going to twist your arm.
Talk to my people.
Talk to my people. All right. Thanks for hanging out with Fly Rod Chronicles down here on the North Fork of the South Branch in Grant County, West Virginia.